Alright, so this is a video on how to do number 4, which, like I said before, you can do any of these three, or you can do the modifier, which is what I'm going to be working on, which looks like this. So, I open my presentation tool. I'm going to start a new spot for number 4. So number 4, I'm going to create my 2 vanishing points. 1, 2, that gives me kind of a wide berth. And I'm going to go down in the middle somewhere. So let's see if I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Down in the middle, and I'll just make my first line because we'll say 4. Take a little off the bottom here, that's no big deal. And that's what I'll go with. So, I think I can probably drag this over so you get a nice view of what's going on. So I've got that shape, I'm working on it right here. So like I said, I'm going to make this the bottom. I went over a little far. Make the bottom from there to there. Boop. Boop. And this is going to be a very tight shape with what I decided to do, but that's the thing with perspectives. It's all about from where you're looking from. So if I do my vanishing points that way, this is just how it's going to look. And I'm going to kind of, using my triangle, trying to gauge where it looks even, because if you look at the blue, you know, it's kind of a 2 by 2 by 2. So you do want to try to keep it relatively proportioned. So I'm going to go 2 by 2, 2 lines, 2 lines. Hopefully that'll look pretty good when we're done. We shall see. So yeah, I got kind of a boxy shape going. So this is the big box. We have to cut things out of the big box. So we have to cut out this blue section, which I made that line for the blue section. Then we got to cut out this red section. And the red section's about at halfway. So I'm going to pick a spot like halfway. It looks like halfway. I'm going to actually use this line. Now I only need it to right there. Like that covers me. But I'm going to transfer it so I can get it over to the other side too. And there's a reason for that, but I'm going to go in and darken the stuff I know I'm keeping right now. So I know I'm keeping this. That's my outside box. That's not getting touched. I know I'm keeping this. I know I'm keeping this back edge. I can go in and connect to this. I know I'm keeping this back edge. I know I have a line that's going to go here. I have a line that's going to go here this way. It's going to hit that back edge. But where is it going to hit that back edge? It's a great question. I also have this line down here coming across. I'm going to bring that up. So here's kind of my questions. These 2 lines are obviously the side of the box, and they have to hit this face. To figure out where these 2 lines hit, I can take this line across, which I'm going to have to do, to the vanishing point, like so. Now, where this line hits this line, that is critical, because then it goes up to this line. It's going to go there. It is going to go over to the vanishing point, like so. And then this one right here is going to go over to this vanishing point. So I didn't add that in, but we can now. So we got this line and this line are meeting up. Hopefully if we did a pretty good job, when we draw our vertical right here, they should meet up. And it looks like we did okay. Not bad. So, not quite parallel. Right there, that's a little better. So that is the 2-point perspective for number 4. And you would go in and you erase all of your lines. So, that's number 4.